What's up, guys? I've got a quick tip for you today on how to solve a problem with Mosaic inlay stripes. As you can see, this tile here is about 3/8 of an inch thick. Added mortar, you've got about a 1/2 inch thick, a lot thicker than your Mosaic inlay. As you can see there, very large edge to make up for. Couple of ways to solve this. One, using Cordless membrane. We'll show you how that works right now. Now what he's doing is measuring to make cuts for the left and right side of the back wall. So here's Cordless band, right there. What we're going to do is overlap it because it's a little thinner, a little more narrow than our 7-inch Mosaic stripe. Super simple though. This gets installed on the back of the Mosaic inlay. Now what we're doing is simple. We're gluing two pieces of Cordless band together to make our width to accept the 7-inch Mosaic inlay. Now we're troweling the Cordless band with the V-notch trowel to install the Mosaic here. We're also using the edge of drywall here for a straight edge. And to set it into the mortar, use a grout float. Well, there you go. We'll let this dry for a couple of hours and then install it on the back wall for the Mosaic inlay. Alright guys, so here's the Mosaic stripe for the back wall. As you can see, we have Cordless membrane right here installed all the way on the back of it. It's glued to the Cordless membrane, the Mosaic stripe, and now we're going to install it on the back wall of the shower, and then we'll install the sides. Installing the back Mosaic stripe with Cordless membrane backing. Use a grout float to press it in to get everything flat so that the Mosaic meets up with the 12x24 field wall tile. Alright guys, installing the third and last piece of Mosaic stripe. As you can see here, there's your Cordless membrane glued to the back of it. Let's go install the last piece of this Mosaic stripe. Well, there you guys have it. As you can see up close, you don't have any thin set mortar squeezing through the joints with that Cordless membrane attached to the back of it. It helps a lot when you install this, speeds up time, gives you a more superior and flawless install. Now when installing Mosaic, a lot of times your Mosaic is a lot thinner. It's not as thick as the real tile here, the field wall tile. As you can see, we've got more than 1/4 inch to make up. So there's a couple of ways to do this to make up that thickness. One is to make a screed, something like this, where you can screed thin set onto the wall, let it dry for the next day, and then install your Mosaic. Another method is to simply install some 1/4 inch backer board, like so. We've got a 1/4 inch go board backer board we're going to thin set and screw to the wall, which makes up the difference in thickness and it allows us to install our Mosaic waterfall stripe nice, smooth, and very flat. And again, thanks for watching Mosaic Tile Tips and Tricks. As usual, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and thanks for watching.